Hello, how do I trace my support line to determine my entry point for our uptrend line swing trading strategy? We have a list of new large cap stocks that we are going to that is going to be a part of our watch list for 2025, and we like to trace some lines here. For the first one is Rose. So let's go back to our, we'll start to trace those lines. I like to start on maximum monthly chart. So on a maximum monthly chart, I will trace the lines connecting the support. I like to call them lows because they are upward stocks, meaning the lows, the current lows are higher than the previous lows. So on a maximum monthly chart where you have an overall view of the chart of the stock, you can just connect the obvious lows that you can see, the deepest point that you can see, and you might even trace multiples. I like to connect the next 2 points, and when I do this, it's not going to go far without crossing those. So I'm going to move to the next one, and this I'm going to ignore this one here, and I'm going to go to this. It's going to go there. I will trace it. Better yet, I will color this as well. In fact, I don't know if I want to use that color. Let's leave it like that, and then I will see if I can find some more point to connect. So I'm going to go from there because I'm trying to find some connecting point that can get me closer to current price. Does that make sense? So this is a good one, and I'm going to color it. So from this point, I'm going to go to maximum daily chart. Maximum daily chart, because we swing through on a maximum daily chart. We'll go to maximum daily chart, so we can see our maximum monthly chart lines that we trace it. And when you go to daily charts, you will be able to activate it if you right click to move them to, to connect them better. So we have this one that is a long trend line here, more than 1 year. Now we can see if we can trace some more. Let's see what kind of lows I can connect it. You see, because it is closer to this line, I'm just going to go with that line. Let me start it from here and see. It's going to go across it, and I do not want to go across anything. But when I start it from here, it's going to just be close to this. So this is going to be the line that I'm going to be targeting, and we can continue to extend it, but our entry point for this stock is going to be at this line. It crossed it at some point, went up, but that's where we are going to be waiting to enter. Excuse me. So this one is done. That's one example of how we trace our trend lines to determine our entry point moving forward, because we like to enter on a long trend line. So this one will go to maximum monthly chart. That's where we want to start from. And I don't know if I should do it in batches where I trace the maximum monthly, and then later this is not going to go far. Let me see. This is not going to go too far either. Not a big fan. fan of that. Let's write this low here. I think this will work more better for us. Let's color it. Okay, so that is one line. Here is 2024, 1 year line here. Let's go to maximum daily chart. Okay, so we can extend it properly here. As we can see, those better. Yes, Gabriel?
Okay, can you get a notebook to draw in?
Yes, but I'm working right now. Do you know where they are? Yeah, they are in the closet in my room, but you are not going to be able to take it. But remind me when I'm done, I can pull it, because I have some computers on top of it. I need to take them out of there first, so don't touch it. I'll remind me when I'm done so that I can give you one. So this is the line we will be trending it, will be buying it on. Okay, so let's move to the next one. The next one is KR. There is a stock that I need to get out of here. If I come across it, I'll take it out. Maximum monthly chart. Maximum monthly chart. Let's see what we can trace here. This is not going to go far. Pretty much I'm trying to connect two close lows, but at the same time the one that can get me close to where the price is right now. Those are the lows that I'm aiming for. Again, it's not a line, it is a zone. Therefore, it's okay if you go past some or you go a little bit below some, but this is going to be our line here. Is what take us to closer to where the price is and go multiple lines, multiple years. And it seems to me that this could blend in as well in some way. Do you see it? It won't take us straight there, but I think the pattern is the same. So let's go to maximum daily chart here, and this is the line. So we went through it here, coming from wherever we came from. Let's see if we can activate it without moving where it is before. Let's move this section down. But this is the line we would like to buy on. I mean, you can find short-term lines though. We just don't want to buy them on short-term lines anymore. But you do have, you see this, you can find some short-term trend there. But the next one is PJ. So again, maximum monthly chart. Don't know why my eyes went here. Let's see what we can do from here. I don't think it's following that line here anymore. We do have this one from what, 2017 or so. I think that will be the line we should track. Touch base with a few times. So maximum daily chart, let's see that line. Yeah, that will be the line that we'll be buying it on. So if it comes to that line, we buy. Good. You see, that's how we are tracing our entry point line. CL we traced it already. So, and that is the line we will buy on. We purchased a few times this year. JPM. So we'll go to maximum monthly chart. Let's see. Oh, I don't like to go through those lows like that. Good job both of you for keeping your voice down. So let's see if we can find another lines to trace. It's not that far from that. Let's see what we can do from here. This is going to go there. I don't know how I feel about that. I prefer this line. I'm going to color code that line. So that's pretty much how we are determine our entry point, the trend line, because we are using trend line swing trading strategy and uptrend line. So we are determining the line that we would like to be waiting on, comparing what the price is to that line to enter. So we will start tracing our lows from the maximum monthly chart and move to maximum daily chart to continue there. And we have, this is 1 year trend line right there that is following, and this is 2 years trend line, but we just prefer to wait on it on this one because you see it does do those swings. So we just want to wait. When it come back to this line we can get in, but last year that's where it went, and then there, but I just prefer to wait on it this. But this is a long line as well, so because it's 2023 or so, but yeah, for now we leave it there. We can just see what it's doing. BX. So BS maximum monthly chart, and that is the line. Another one will be this one, but because you see it can do that and come back down, I prefer to just wait here, because when it do that, the following months or years it can be lower. So I just prefer to wait on it on this line, so that my entry, I do not enter at a higher point and then pull back on me. So maximum daily chart, that is going to be our line. We just wait and see what it's doing. BLK. BLK seems to me that we have history with this company, so that is the line. We just wait. That one is traced already, so Jared, make sure it's not too close to your face. Okay, so let me activate this line. Okay, that will be the line. We could easily trace one more from there, somewhere here, but because of his history to go do that and come back down that way, that those time frame will be lower than where it is, I just prefer to enter on this line here when they come back. How long it's going to take for that to come back down there, I don't know. Oh, let's go to maximum daily chart. Not that I'm going to do anything there. No, I'm not going to do anything here. But so the next one is ICE. So ICE maximum monthly chart, it gives you kind of clean, neat area to start tracing your support lines, you know. So that is why I like to start from there and then fine tune it on a maximum daily chart. So this is the line, because it can do that, and then you'll have those lows for a while, even 2 years before it went back up again. I just prefer to wait on this line so that I don't buy somewhere up there and have to wait 2 years to make profit. So we could have traced another trend line which could have brought it closer to this price, but we are not going to do that. And at this point, I don't even think I need to go to maximum daily chart to do anything there. If it's clean enough for me to trace a line here, I don't need to go trace it on a daily chart. If that makes sense. We won't be doing anything with maximum monthly chart other than just analyzing what is going on. We'll be making our decision on a daily chart, 1 year daily chart or maximum daily chart. But to trace our lines, some of them are just easier to trace on here than on a busier chart. So we have this line. Let's see. From here you could be able to find another one, but that will be taking you there. But for a stocks that can have highs like that and then have lows in other years that will be lower than that high, I prefer to just wait on it on this trend line. For those stocks that have prior year highs that are higher than following years highs, that will be the trend line that I will be aiming for, so that I don't buy it on a peak and they pull back to this line. So that, therefore I don't need to do anything on the maximum daily chart just yet. So the next one is AFL, and I think we can end the video here and start a new one to continue. I don't know why I keep doing V, because I'm trying to do Control V on my computer and I'm pressing that V before the Control key. I kept asking myself, why Visa? Why am I tapping Visa? But that's why it's happening. I'm not pressing those two buttons at the same time well. So we have this that we trace it, and we could easily find this one, and that one will take us to maximum daily chart. Because of the shape of the how it's navigating, it's moving, those highs are higher than those. So let's maximum daily chart. Let's see, what year is this? 2023, somewhere 2023, and we follow that chart. If it comes to this line, you should be able to get in. Alternatively, we can get in here. If we get in here, you pull back to here, we just buy more or something like that, but they are not far from each other. So, and at this point we should be able to activate this line and adjust it a little bit better. Let's connect it to that load there, and it touched that. I don't really like it. Let's bring it down a little bit, and you see it just is so close to this that it does not even, we don't even need to keep it there, but I'm just going to keep it to remind me how close it. At this point, this could just be the line we will wait on. We could trace this line as well, but I just prefer not to do that and just wait on it on either one of those two lines so that I can buy it there. because yeah, I don't want to follow it on this line and you're going to pull back on me. But it is a line that you can follow short-term wise as well. It's connecting those lows, and it seems to me that it's still following the trend line. But yeah, just observing, I'll be fun. So let's continue in the next video. I didn't think I would do that much, but we did quite a bit. Let's see if we can get it to here without exhausting, without making the video too long. Maximum monthly. Okay, so where is maximum monthly again? That is a sign that I'm getting exhausted. So this is the line, and let's see here. Oh, this is so sharp. This is another line. So frankly, I don't know what line we are going to be doing. Turning this on, we can take, hold on, let's color code this one, and this one is 1 year. Okay, so it's 1 year. So I don't know how I feel about that. Let's go to maximum daily. Okay, so now on the maximum daily we can do something about this one. We can activate it, bring it closer here, and bring it closer here, and bring it closer. You see it touched that low there, closer and closer. It's right there. It's 1 year. Is it going to continue the 1 year trend line, or is it going to move to here? Otherwise, if it's going up from there, we could buy some and see. But we will want, because it moved to it, we will want a confirmation that it's going to go up from there. But I don't know. In fact, we don't really need a confirmation from there because it's moving to it. It's using it as a support, and when it's leaving there, sometimes it does not. Oh, let me see. Yeah, it took a while before it came back. So yeah, we are just going to observe it. We can either buy some there because it's more than a year trend line. So it could be a line we can buy it on, and this could be a secondary one as well. But here is the line, and it's close to it, so we need to keep an eye on it. So that one took quite a bit of our time. So this one, I don't really need to do this because we already have lines to trace for it. So what year? This is pretty much 1 year trend line here. So this one, I'm pushing my luck with this video recording because I'm recording a lot. I just want to batch analyze those charts to create our watch list, because when you are analyzing the chart and you are doing a lot at once, I don't know, you sharpen your eyes to critically analyze them, because you are pretty much putting them against each other. Does that make sense? You find clean ones, you use them as a reference to criticize the others that you come across, things like that. But as you start the first few charts, you might be either too harsh on them or too loose on them. But then as you start coming across a good one, you use them to critically analyze the one you come across after it. And so that's why I like to analyze a large chart at once, so that can help me, critically analyze those charts and eliminate the one that I don't want to have in the list. But it is energy sucking things. So we have this, and that is our line here, and I like the way this line is. So let's color it. But again, as a video content creator, and that's something I wanted to do while I'm sharing it with you as well. Therefore, there will be talking involved. I cannot just do that every few minutes that I find available between other things that I do. So this is one line, a good one. This is a good one. From here though, let's go to our maximum daily chart, since we swing through on a daily chart, and see. I think that's fine. That is the line that we can pretty much buy on. So that will be our entry line. Okay, so I might just have to continue this video to finish it up later. You know what? Let me look at 1 year of this. I think this is, no, this is not the stuff that I need to take out. So maximum, let's see here. Okay, I think this is a good one. I like the length of it. Now let's trace another one that can be closer. Yeah, I think I like this one too. Question is, where are we willing to enter the trade? Let's go to maximum daily chart, and I think this could be the line is longer than 1 year, so it will be our line. We have both to refer to. Okay, so L. So this one will go to maximum monthly chart. So this is how we are using the maximum monthly chart. I don't know how I feel about this one. Let's see. I think this will pretty much be the same. We can take this out. If I trace it from here, it's going to go through it, and I don't want that. So now from here, let me start from the tip there. It does not get me close. Okay, so this is so sharp. I'm not sure what happened, but it's so sharp there, and I don't know if we should trust that and ride the wave, because when it crash on us, we don't want to be left stranded there for years to come, waiting. So we can either use a risky approach or more conservative approach. By at this point, let me color those lines, because I'll be referencing them compared to where the price is. So what I wanted to do, and now we are going to go with this one as well. And that is what a 1.5 type of trend line. So I think this will be our bet here, just to make sure. So technically, because I think the good thing is it does not go too far from this line, come back to it and just doesn't go too far at all. I don't know, I would prefer to just wait on this, but again, we just trace. So I'll be this one. Let's go to 1 year daily chart for this. Okay, this is okay as well. We'll go to maximum monthly chart to see what we can trace here. And it's not going to get us there. I don't know how I feel about that. Let's go to this. Just make me try weekly chart to see what I can find there. But let's go to maximum daily chart. Okay, so from here that ended. From here we have even. So this is not touching anything there all the way to here, so I'm not a big fan of that. Don't like to trace those. So this is the line that we will be buying it on. Okay. Okay, let's go to maximum daily, maximum monthly. Okay, let's see what we can do here, how far we can go with that. We can color it, and I think that's pretty much what we need here. Let's go to maximum daily chart. Yeah, that would be the line. Nothing there. PWR. So PWR, let's start from maximum monthly chart. This is so sharp. Okay, and let's color that. We could trace another one here. I don't know how I feel about that. Connect it to that, but let's go to daily chart here. Okay. I prefer to wait on this line here. What do you think? This one, it can come to it, but this is pretty much 1 year trend line. So this is the line. I'm going to put that one in gray, and leave it alone. This is the line we will be targeting. They are not far from each other. So we are going to end this video here, and we will continue tracing our line for the rest of what we have on our list later. Thank you so much.